Hey Internet, this is the code for Polyphonic Beeps, or the Dual Tone Lab for Introduction to Microcontrollers. The code is in the pinned comment. It's also on GitHub. I'll show you the code now. Disclaimers: the code has been uploaded to Turnitin, and the professor makes custom labs, midterms, and exams, so this will be similar but different every year. You can use this code to figure out what he is trying to get you to do. It'll be similar, but it won't be the same. So another disclaimer: this code works, but it fulfills the bare minimum of the lab. When I coded it, it still had some, I guess, not so much errors, but just it's not optimized. Let's put it that way. So when you combine the tones, it will work, but it's not perfect. You can hear it, like when the other students were getting the lab done, they made almost music, whereas mine just works. Okay, so I'm scrolling down through the code now, just in case the pinned comment isn't there. So you can pause the video and type out the code. If it's not in the pinned comment, it will be there, hopefully. Okay. So with this one, it's a lot to do with the, I think, the 16-bit counter. So it's about timing. It's also about your frequency as well. Make sure your ADC ISR is correct. That may cause problems if it's not. Okay. Pretty much that is the code. You will hear, I suppose, the right tone when you get the code right. If it's not right, you will hear some annoying tones when you mix the frequencies together. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, they're gonna need it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.